Alright family, welcome back to some XRP Ripple news. Will the Reddit bets make XRP go parabolic? That's what we're gonna answer today. So I don't know if you hold any XRP, but I hold a lot of XRP myself, and there's a lot of crazy happening in the world. With the Reddit boards SatoshiStreetBets and now SatoshiStreetBets all trying to go against the hedge funds and take them down from making money off the retail investors. These moves right now are historic because it really has never happened before. But the thing is XRP worth it? I think so. Because XRP is an asset that can really be shorted, but mainly by retail investors. If you're new to cryptocurrency and you're buying XRP, know that XRP and Ripple are going through a lawsuit. And you can check that video out here because I made a video on that. So there hasn't really been much activity with XRP from the institutional investors. So a lot of the movement is coming from the retail investors right now and the pump. So should you buy into this pump right now? That's what we're going to answer. So I encourage you to watch to the end of this video to get where XRP has gone, because it has gone somewhere before, and where it's going. And if you haven't already, please be sure to smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and let's jump in. So here's what's happening. With the GameStop rally that has been happening between the Reddit investors and the hedge funds, that has trickled over to cryptocurrencies. First it was Dogecoin, which bumped high. I think it's almost up to 1,000%. And then it was Bitcoin, and now XRP is getting a piece of the action. So XRP rallied hard on Saturday, similar to the move that was made with GameStop. So this move made XRP jump 86% to 51 cents to hit the highest level since December 22. And this was the biggest single day gain since December 21, 2017. So if you're new to cryptos, most of the action, as far as I've seen, really happens around November, December, and January, because for those months, Bitcoin and Ethereum likewise had made incredible gains, hitting new all-time highs. I swear it's the most action I've seen in months. You guys know what I'm saying. Seriously, up is getting old. But I think they take cryptocurrencies now. So the classic pump and dump strategy is not new to cryptocurrency, particularly for XRP, which has a very large and strong following. The last time I checked, Dogecoin hit 924% gain during its pump the day before XRP's pump. So the question to ask right now is, will the buy and hold XRP group members remain faithful to the group's title and keep holding the cryptocurrency? The big price rise has erased a big chunk of the fall from 55 cents to 20 cents due to the SEC lawsuit. Though personally, I think that this does not matter, because I doubt a lot of new buyers into XRP did any research before buying into XRP. But I'm all for this irresponsibleness because I'm holding XRP in chunks. So the struggle right now is with XRP, a lot of people in the States, if they're using something like Coinbase, then they're not able to trade it because they've suspended trading on XRP. So a lot of the movements is happening elsewhere in the world. So let's take a look at CoinMarketCap right now. You could see that XRP has regained third place on the market cap list, and it's hovering over at 60 cents. So I think this thing is gonna pump. I could see it really going to 75 cents or $1. And this is incredible because just days ago it was hovering in number 5, and it just overtook Polkadot and Tether and got back its place at number 3. And personally, I've shorted Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, so I know that these three are shortable. So I really like to see some action on Ethereum here. Hey, SatoshiStreetBets, can we get some moves here on Ethereum? So XRP regained its third spot on the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap again. And not only that, Stellar, which is pretty much the same as XRP, also got some attention from SatoshiStreetBets, and they resulted in a 64% price hike on January 27th. And guys, if you aren't following Elon, then I suggest you go to Twitter and follow Elon, because his tweets moves markets. So Bitcoin's value jumped more than 20% to $38,566 on Friday after Elon changed his personal Twitter bio to Bitcoin. I gotta say, the man has the Midas touch, because whatever he touches turns to gold. So if he tweets XRP, I think that thing is going parabolic. So if you're doing research and you read a lot of articles saying that the SEC lawsuit is going to hamper the price of XRP going parabolic, don't worry too much about it. I don't think that's going to happen, because a lot of the pump and dump, because a lot of the people buying into XRP probably are buying into cryptocurrency for the first time and they aren't doing their research. The lawsuit has nothing to do with the pump and dumps. And usually the people that are buying in for the first time haven't done the due diligence on where XRP has gone or has been and where it's going, which is why you're watching this video. So taking a look at the charts, I just want to show you guys that in XRP's history, it has reached a price of 330 back in January 2018. Looking at this right now, looking at this bad boy right now, it hit a price, a high in today of 75, almost 76 cents. And the 52-week range for it, its high was 78 cents. Do I have hope for this? Oh yes, this baby hit $3 before, and it still has a ways to climb. If you're holding XRP right now, let me know in the comments below at what price did you buy and how much profit do you have right now. So crypto trader and economist Alex Kruger has mentioned that XRP is harder to move as it has a much larger market cap than Dogecoin, but I presume it could get up to 75 cents or $1. And this is coming from a crypto trader and economist. When it comes to Doge, however, Kruger mentioned that unlike GameStop, there's no hedge funds that are short selling Doge. So it is not liquidated hedge funds that are providing the liquidity, but the latecomers who came late and are left holding the bag. Now, how many Doge stock investors will realize that they fell for one of the biggest pump and dumps in history? Now, this article that I read that I'll link to in the comments below is super interesting because, listen closely, China is interested. GameStop, Doge, and Bitcoin rallies fueled by the Reddit group are getting the interests of not just the USA, but China. On Weibo, Chinese social media platform, the highly active crypto community is speculating on who's next. And this article read that many newcomers to cryptos only look at the prices and the names, and they do not care how many times this particular token has taken away people's money or whether it is highly centralized. What did I say about pump and dumps? So guys, if you can get into XRP, get into XRP. Don't leave those bags on the table. So not only Chinese investors are speculating on Weibo, but they're also trolling on English forums like Reddit and Telegram groups in order to find out who's next. So the situation really is that every stock investor is trying to learn or figure out how to buy cryptos, and every crypto investors are trying to figure out and learn how to buy stocks. So Yang Lu, a crypto retail trader, says that in China, the fear of missing out, FOMO, is actually bigger than the fear of losing money. What did I say, people? Get those bags, get those bags, get those bags. That's an insane thing to hear. People care more about keeping up with their Kardashians in China than actually losing money. So data from a December report by the China Securities Depository and Clearing Corporation shows that there are more than 177 million individual stock traders in China. Now, I'm gonna take this opportunity to plug my Polkadot video because that crypto is the darling of China right now. Unlike the US, the stock market in China is highly dominated by retail investors. It's also highly regulated and short selling is very rare. Stock exchanges would force the suspension of trading for the day if the CSI 300 index rises or falls more than 7% from its previous close. Hello, communism. Betting advice would be that when China enters the game, always bet big because the entire game changes. And here's a disclaimer, I'm a holder of XRP, so this advice may or may not help me with my gains and losses in my portfolio. Alright guys, let's do a little bit of the technicals before we cut this video. Anyways, if you're doing some day trading, then we always pretty much trade on the 15 minutes, so that's what you're looking at, but we're not looking at that because if we're gonna hold this, then we're looking at the 4 hours. So looking at the 4 hours, remember, we're always taking a look for the 50 EMA because this is the base point where price usually falls to the bottom of this, touches it, and then it bounces back up. So if I see anything, whenever I trade and I look for a long hold, then I go to the 4 hours, I take a look at the 50 EMA, and if it touches that or if it consolidates around that, then that's when I buy. But this is so far away from 36 cents. It's hitting 60 cents. I think it's gonna hit 61. But look at this. We made a high of 75, 76 cents just yesterday. So this is really going somewhere. Is this a good time to buy? I really don't know. I can't give you an answer to that. But if we go down to the 15 minutes and we do our chart, I would take a chart and go from the low point from here when it actually started breaking out and go to the high point, which is here, and using our Fibonacci's price points that I would buy because we can only buy using this 15 information right now. Price points that you're looking at because we're in a bum rush right now is 64 and 61 cents. So look, it really matches because look, it's taken this 50 EMA on the 15 minutes and it's just consolidating on that line. You see this line is really going back and forth for XRP on that 50 EMA line. So I think that it's going to go down here and it's just going to go back up. So there you go guys, 61 to 64 cents. If I was going to buy into this, I would buy in between those price points. Will it go into those price points? I think so. Why not? It hit a high of around 75 cents. So right now it's consolidating in that area. So if you get in now, I think that's a good buy if this thing is going to go higher. The great thing here is that in the US, XRP is pretty much suspended. So I think the price can only go up if the people people from China are getting FOMO on XRP, so they would continue pumping the price up. So if that happens, then I can only really see XRP just going up. My only problem is that right now people are greedy. I never buy when people are greedy, I buy only when people are fearful, you know? Sell the greed, buy the fear. Other than that, I hope you got something out of this XRP Ripple news. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.